Hey guys, welcome back to our channel CSE Best Solutions, where we can learn computer science in a very best way. Okay, we are in the process of learning the C programming language. In the previous video, we have discussed about arrays, pointers, and structures. If anybody didn't watch that video, please go through it. I'll put link in the description. And today we will continue the next topics, and today's first topic is functions. Okay, what is function? Generally speaking, what is function? We all know, but it has a difference in C. Okay, what is function in C? A function is a block of code that performs a particular task. What is function? A function is a block of code that performs a particular task. There are many situations where we might need to write the same line of code more than once in a program. That is, the same code again and again repeatedly writing means it will become a bore for any programmer. This may lead to repetition of code's bugs. So, to avoid these kind of situations, the C language provides an approach in which you can declare and define a group of statements once in a form of function, and it can be called and used whenever it required. Okay, I'll tell again. Once we once we call that function, we can use it whenever we require. And these functions defined by the user is called as user defined function. What is user defined function? The function defined by the user are known as user defined function. Okay. C functions can be classified into two categories, that is library functions and user defined functions. Library functions are also known as predefined functions. Here it is a small figure where we know about functions. Predefined functions are library functions declared in header files and body in different files. Coming to the user customized functions to reduce complexity of big problem, that is big programs. I hope you understand the functions and classification of functions. Next we go to the next topic, that is string. Sorry. Okay, what is string? In a C programming, a string is a sequence of characters terminated with a null character. C programming is a sequence of characters that is terminated with a null character 0. And we also give the definition in a other way, that is it is the second point. C strings are nothing but an array of characters ended with null character 0. For example, character C is equal to C string. Here C string is an string. And also a string is a data type used in a programming such as an integer and a floating point unit, but most commonly string will be represented as text rather than the numbers. For example, here see the word hamburger and the phrase I ate 3 hamburgers are both strings, and even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 represented here is also a string. And coming to the next part, there is many types of string. I'll repeat, there is many types of string, and the most common used string functions are listed below. That is string concatenation, string character, string comparison, string copy, string length. What is string concatenation? String concatenation is a concatenation of two strings. What is string character? String scanning operation. String comparison. Comparison of two strings. That is when we compare one string with another string. What is string copy? It is a copy of string. String length. It is to get string length. What is string concatenation here again? It is different from the above string concatenation. There, string concatenation is a concatenation of two strings, and here the concatenation is concatenation one string with a part of another string. Please note the difference. I hope you all guys understand the string. Next, the topic is data types. Okay, in C programming, data types are declarations of variables. This determines the type and size of data associated with variable. What is data? What is variable? What is data type? Don't get confused. Data types defines the type of data a variable can hold. That is, a data type is the type of a data where a variable can hold. Okay. For example, an integer variable can hold integer data. A character type variable can hold character data. And there is a three different types of data types, that is predefined data type, derived data type, and user defined data type. Don't get confused with user defined functions and user defined data types. They both are different. What is the data types? Primary data types, derived data types. What is there in primary data type? Integer, floating point, character. In derived data types, array, pointers, structures, and union. And this is the end of this session, and we'll see the next part in next session. And in the next part there will be a array topic again. In that array we learn what is array and different types of array, insertion of array, so don't miss that part. And we'll also see some examples of based on array. Thank you. And wait, if anybody didn't subscribe my channel, please do subscribe and press that bell button. You will get notified when I post any new video. And if you like this video, please do like my video. Thank you. We'll meet in a next part. Bye bye.